Hey everyone, welcome to Weller's channel. Today I'll show how to link or unlink Genshin Impact accounts. Let's go to the Hoyoverse website, click on Log In, choose your login method. I'll use Google to sign in. Here we have everything we need. You can link or unlink email addresses and phone numbers here. To relink an account to a new email, click Edit. Then click Link Email Address for the new one. You can also manage account links in-game. See, you can link or unlink right in the game. In-game, it's done through the settings. Here, through this menu. Now go to the Accounts menu. It's right here. Next, click on the User Center tab. On your phone, in this tab, you can link and unlink accounts. This has been Wello. See you later, everyone.